Hello everyone, this is Akal from Global Stocks, and this is a small video I'm making for this coming week. I have a bullish bias for this week. For the last week, I was telling you not to short the indices and stocks also, and they have given us a positive movement in the week. SPIX, I'll just go over what we're going to see right now. QQF ETF, NYSE Arca Tech 100 Index, and SPIX. I don't have Nasdaq with me right now, so this is what I'm going to discuss. Tesla, Apple, Palantir, and Netflix. They all look very nice to me for the week. Let's see these indices. So we'll start with QQQ, and we see that last week it had made a hammer outside the Bollinger Band. So I was saying not to short this. This week it has made almost a doji-like candle, and it has gained only 1.18. Although it has made a lower shadow, it was down slightly in the week, and then it came up again. So for the coming week, I think these two candles give us a hint that the next week should be bullish. Next is NYSE Arca Tech 100 Index. This is a, you might be knowing it as you, or you might know, this is a tech index. So the previous week it has given a long shadow outside the Bollinger Band, and this week it has given a doji. This is similar to what QQQ has shown. Only thing is this is a doji, so it's even more significant. So I expect the tech stocks to do well this week. And let's see the next one. This is SPIX. SPIX had also given a hammer last week, and I was saying don't short this index. It did go down slightly, but it has finished positively. It has finished 0.5% up, 28.62 points on 5667.56. That's about 0.5%. So I expect this also to, firstly, not to be shorted, and secondly, to do better than this week, next week. Then we come to the stocks which I expect to do well this week. First one is Tesla. I expect it to do quite well this week, and this it has given two long hammers on a 200 week moving average. So prices tried to go beneath the 200 week moving average, but they were unable to do so. And what this is a very positive signal that Tesla is making a bottom here. I expect it to go up till 280, the reds, which is about a 13% move. I think this move will come in this week only. So because Tesla is a very high mover, fast mover stock. So I would, I'm also thinking of giving a call on the stock on Monday if the pre-market is good. So let's see. The next stock which looks good to me is Apple. Apple on its dailies gave a very large candle, and it has negated the negativity of all the past four candles. The positivity started with this Harami 4 and 1 5 6 candles ago, and it has now become quite positive. So I think Apple is also going to be very good for the next week. The other stock which is good is Palantir, and I think this has already overcome most of its resistance and is quite okay to be traded next week. Another good stock is Netflix. This is its weekly chart, and in its weekly we see that it had opened with a gap, and although it has not, it has it's done pretty good for the week. and let's see what looks like in its daily. There is this slight resistance here at this level. This is about 969, 970 level. So if it crosses 970, that's about 1.25%, then it should be very good. There's no resistance after that. So up till 970, it has a fair amount of resistance. But let's see. I think if the techs rally on Monday, Tuesday, then Netflix should also be doing well. So that was all for this video. It's a short, quick video. Do look and listen to it, and hopefully it'll prove good to everybody. Please note that this is mostly an educational video, and I'm just trying to get some of my knowledge to you. Thanks for listening, and happy markets next week.